With over 30 years of experience, Miessler Software is the global leader in fully integrated CAD, CAM, PDM solutions aimed at professionals working in mechanics, sheet metal, tooling, and consumer. Anywhere a machine interacts with materials to manufacture, shape, or assemble an item, the TopSolid product range provides the most powerful and efficient system on the market for modeling, production, and management. Unique, attractive, reliable, ergonomic, comprehensive, and incredibly productive, TopSolid gives you a wide range of intercompatible solutions in line with your methods, whatever sector you're in. Be it aeronautics, mechanics, furnishings, transport, special purpose machines, metalworking, medical, energy, tooling, or boiler making. TopSolid is a hotbed of innovation and technology. Each year, the company invests 30% of its turnover in R&D, a record within its sector. Entirely developed in France by top-quality engineers and scientists, TopSolid was created by passionate experts who perfectly understand the needs of their clients. In a similar vein, the company supports education by training future generations at universities and high schools in France and internationally. They collaborate with a specialized selection of the best European laboratories through a variety of research partnerships. Above all, TopSolid is a team that serves its clients. Whether that means helping to choose and implement our solutions, providing training, or developments specific to your business, our team pays close attention to you, your facility, and your needs. Originally based in France, TopSolid has had a major export presence for almost 20 years and now has a growing global network, meaning it can offer clients an international and local presence. All this with one goal in mind: fast, high-quality production worldwide.